afternoon, Mataji.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mataji. Good afternoon, Mataji.
Afternoon, Mataji.
Afternoon, Mataji.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mataji.
Good afternoon, children. Yes.
Good afternoon, Mataji.
Good afternoon, Mataji.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Mataji.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yes. So last session, what we have learned, children?
Our
Yes.
Karnataka.
Karnataka. So how many divisions are there in the Karnataka?
Four divisions. Four divisions.
Okay. Varsha, tell me how many divisions are there?
4 divisions, Mataji.
Yes. What are the 4 divisions? Prerana?
Kalaburgi, Belagavi, Bengaluru, Mysuru.
Very good. Yes. What is called natural resources? Or what are natural resources? I want from Deepti. Deepti, tell me the answer. Yes, Deepti Bhagat.
Mataji, globe and map.
Huh? Yes.
Mataji, question.
What are natural resources?
Agriculture, industries, education, literature.
No. What are the natural resources which we get from the nature?
Lights, water,
Yes.
Rivers,
Mataji,
forests, waterfalls,
Yes.
animals, soil.
soil,
Tell me the answer. What are natural resources which we get from nature?
soil, oxygen, water,
Yes.
air.
Okay. Nowadays, Bengaluru division, it is getting water scarcity. Why? Do you know that? Yes.
Because of water pollution.
Why? Why? Because of water pollution. Alva? Yes, children?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Mataji.
Okay. So, you know about the Karnataka, isn't it or not?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Can you see this picture?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. So,
Yes, Mataji.
which
No,
one?
Mataji. No, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Please keep quiet. Switch
No,
off your
Mataji.
mic first. Switch off your mic. Okay. So, here
Mataji,
we
ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ
are.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ
What, Shrisha?
ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ?
ಅರ್ಧ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಮತಾಜಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಝೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ. ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಹಾ ಮಾತಾಜಿ.
Yes, Mataji.
ಹಾ
ಓಕೆ.
ಮಾತಾಜಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Yes, children.
ಮಾತಾಜಿ
First one,
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
what you can see here first. First one, what you can see here? Which one you are?
Karnataka map.
Very good. What is that? Bidar. Then
Bidar,
how many
Kalaburgi,
districts?
Gulbarga.
Gulbarga. Right. And another thing is Koppal. Okay, so these are all. It is called Kalaburgi division. Alva? Yadagiri, Raichur, Gulbarga, Bidar. Okay. And another thing is Belgaum division, Bijapur, Belgaum, Bagalkot, Dharwad, Gadag. Okay. Then Uttara Kannada and Haveri. So these are all, it will comes under the Belgaum division. Okay. Then other part, what is that? Chikkaballapur, Bengaluru urban and Bengaluru rural, Chitradurga, Tumakuru and Chikkaballapur. Okay, over. Next, what else are there? Yeah,
Shimoga. Davangere.
Shimoga, Davangere, and another one is
Ramnagar.
Yes, very good. So Ramnagar, it will comes under, these 9 districts comes under the Bengaluru division. Okay. And another thing is Mysore division, Udupi, Chikmagaluru, Dakshin Kannada, Hasan. Then what else are there?
Kodagu.
Mandi.
Chikmagaluru. Mysuru. Chamarajanagar. Udupi.
Oh. Yes. So what are that? Chikmagaluru, Mysore, Mandya, Hasan and Chikkaballapur, then Kodagu, Dakshin Kannada and Udupi. These are the district comes under Mysore division. Alva? Yes?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. Okay, another thing is 1 minute. Huh? Then what else we will get it? Other things, children. Yes. This is called Karnataka physical map. Now look at this map. Here, so many rivers. We can see that in the Karnataka, isn't it or not? In that Bengaluru division. Now we are having the Bengaluru division lesson, alva? So in this Bengaluru division, which are the rivers we will get it here, children? And which are the tourist place we will getting? Devarayana Durga, Huli Durga, Baba Budangiri, Nandi Hills, alva? Yes?
Tunga River.
Kaveri River, Shimsha River, Arkavati, Vedavati, Shimsha. So these are all the river and Sharavati. These are all the river. It is flowing in Bengaluru division. Okay, children?
Okay, Mataji.
Yes? Okay. Okay. So next, we are going to learn about the agriculture and industry, education, health, okay, and arts, literature, music, dance, and theater about we are going to learn. Then freedom fighters, okay. So in this Bengaluru division, already I said, what is that? It is having 9 districts. So according to the district wise, what are the unique features is there that we will see today, okay? Yes, I'm asking here, Kshitija, are you there? Kshitija. Kshitija, did you attend the class? Okay. So, what is that? Agriculture. First of all, Bengaluru division, it is having a mixed red soil, children. Here, they are getting the crops, means which are the crops is growing. That is rice, maize, ragi, especially rice or the paddy and the ragi. These two are the staple food of Bengaluru division. Understood? Bengaluru division people, they are depending upon always rice and the ragi. Apart from that, they are growing sugarcane, cotton, and some millets. then sugar, then what, groundnuts. Okay, so these are all the crops they are growing. Yes, it is the business they are growing. Then in Ramanagara, it is famous for silk. Means Ramanagara silk is very famous. They are growing the silk. Okay, acres of the land they are having the, means they are growing the what is that, the silk. Okay, means silk ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಕರಿತೀರಾ ನೀವು? silk worm ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಹುಳು. What is that? Silk worms. Okay, so they are worms. After that giving the food for that leaves, silk leaves they are giving. Then it is growing. After that, that insect only it is making like egg or egg shape or the ball shape. Okay, so that is called what is that? Cocoon. That cocoon. What, Basangauda? Basangauda? Now switch off your mic, children. Okay, so agriculture, what type of the agriculture they are growing? One is rice or the paddy, then cotton, then ragi, maize. After that, mulberry. Reshmena yen karitare, mulberry. Okay, and apart from that, they are preparing during the time of festivals, children. Okay, they are preparing the so many items. What is that? The kheer, kesri bhat, like that. They are all making, and they are making the chapatis nowadays. Nowadays people are wheat also, means wheat products of what is that, roti, yes or not? So that nowadays Bangalore, even we also, isn't it or not? So we are all eating the chapati. Means that we are not growing, but in North India it is growing, children. Understood? Punjab and the Rajasthan, they are. So
Mataji cut ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Punjabi
Mataji
also. Understood?
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೆ.
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ.
Yes. Okay, so after the agriculture, there were government established the factories like FCI Godown. So here FCI farmers, they selling their crops at Godown. Okay, so then there is a market, so that they are giving the prices more than the market prices. Okay, so highest prices of these seeds, everything for the farmers. Okay, after that they have given more equipment. For example, so many facilities they have given to farmers. Okay, those who are depending upon the agriculture, they have given the facilities, agricultural modern equipments they have given. Okay, like a tractor or because before the days what they were using, do you know that? Ox or the what do you call that? Yeah, ox or the bull, yes or not? So but nowadays they are plowing their soil or the land with the fertilizer, yes or not? So like that facilities, even tractor also they are giving. Means they are providing loan. So many banks they are providing the loan for the farmers, and they have made irrigational facilities, okay, for the agriculture. And another thing is, children, industry. So in Bangalore division, it is famous for the industry. Why? Because Bhadravati and Davangere and Tumkur as well as Ramanagara, these are the places. These are the district. It is called industrial hubs. What is that? Industrial hubs. Even Bidadi, Ramanagara, Bidadi factory, it is a famous. Then Bengaluru only we can see lots of factories like soap factories or agarbatti making, candle, and so many large scale and the small scale and cottage industries we can see in Bangalore, yes or not? And so many garments, textiles we can see, cement factories we can see, especially in Shivamogga district during the time of Krishnaraja Wadayar IV. During the time of Krishnaraja Wadayar IV, Sir M. Vishweshwaraya, he was stayed in the Krishnaraja Wadayar court. Okay, so during that time, Sir M. Vishweshwaraya, who is he was an engineer and a scientist, is or not? So he was Diwan of Krishnaraja Wadayar. Okay, Diwan means financial minister or financial advisor of the Krishnaraja Wadayar IV. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4ನೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣರಾಜ ಒಡೆಯರ್ ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಸರ್ ಎಂ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯರವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಿವಾನ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ 1923 he had opened the iron and steel industry at Bhadravati. So now it is called Vishweshwaraya Industry also. Okay, iron and steel industry it is called nowadays. What is that? Sir Vishweshwaraya Industries also. Where it is? It is in Bhadravati. During the time of 1923, they have opened. Okay, and other thing is paper industry. During the time of 1936, they have opened. It is in Bengaluru. Apart from that, Bengaluru division only, so many factories or the technological factories or the technologies also, technologically it is fully developed. Okay, so many education centers, resource centers, then educational centers we can see that in Bengaluru urban area. Then another thing is in Tumkuru. Already we know that what is that, Siddhganga Math, they have given a free education for the blind people or the orphan people, yes or not? So for there we can see the engineering, Siddhganga engineering and polytechnical colleges and the law colleges, everything we can see that means educationally also it is very well developed. Okay, Bengaluru division. And because of the village people, every time they cannot go to hospital during the time of emergency, so not ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹೊತ್ತೇನೋ ಆದಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪಾಪ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸಿರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಸಿರ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಹುಬ್ಳಿ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಅವ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಈ ತರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಡ್ primary health center at village level. Okay, then mobile health center also it has given mobile facilities, and through the mobile only we can get it, children. Okay, then other thing is what else are there? Okay, arts and literature. Yes, it is very famous. Somebody please switch off your video, children. Okay, Kiran. Yes, health over. Next it is arts, literature and the folk dances and folklore artists we can see that, yes or not? For example, at Ramanagara we can see the Janapada Loka. H.N. Nagegowda, he established the Janapada Loka in this Ramanagara. Okay, then another thing is theater. If you are taking the theater, Master Hirannaya, Gubbi Veeranna company, means Gubbi Veeranna company, they were made a theater very rich. Why? Because ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾಗಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಟಕಗಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ ಅವಾಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಿಂದನೇ. ಯಾರು? ಗುಬ್ಬಿ ವೀರಣ್ಣ ಕಂಪನಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? ಗುಬ್ಬಿ ವೀರಣ್ಣ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಗುಬ್ಬಿ ವೀರಣ್ಣ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫೇಮಸ್, do you know that who is that famous artist? Yes, Master Hirannaya is there, and Subbaiah Naidu. What is that? Subbaiya Naidu theater, it is very famous. Then another thing is dances. Maya Rao, she was a well-known dancer. Then after the what is that black and white film, when the black and white film it is started in Karnataka in the Kannada languages first, that is called Sati Savitri. In this Sati Savitri, sorry, Sati Sulochana, what is that? Sati Sulochana, that was the picture, first picture Kannada ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲಂತೆ ಮೊದ್ಲಿನ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸತಿ ಸುಲೋಚನಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತು ಆಡೋದನ್ನ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಂತೆ ಅವರು. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸುಬ್ಬಯ್ಯ ನಾಯ್ಡು ಕಂಪನಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸುಬ್ಬಯ್ಯ ನಾಯ್ಡು ಕಂಪನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಇಂದ ಗುಬ್ಬಿ ವೀರಣ್ಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗುಬ್ಬಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳೆದವರು ನಾಟಕಗಳನ್ನ, ಒಂದು ನಾಟಕದ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಥಿಯೇಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, so here Nataka Ratna and Nata Sarvabhauma, that Gubbi Veeranna, he got the title. Okay, after that another thing is children, Master Hirannaya, he was famous in the comedy. What is that? In the comedy, he was a comedy artist. He is a comedy artist. Okay, then Maya Rao, she became a dancer. Dr. Rajkumar, Vishnuvardhan, Shankarnag, these are all, yeah, Ravichandran, everybody. Okay, so these are all the artists. Even Ambarish, they were have given a service, or they were having the epics character. Through the character they have given so many guidance to the people. It may be ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಚಿತ್ರಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹೀಗೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಬಡವರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ರಿಚ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಜನರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಸ್ಪಂದಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಮಹಾಭಾರತ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಬಬ್ರುವಾಹನ, isn't it or not? Mayura, like that Rajkumar. So they were famous artists in this theater. Okay, then literature, especially during the time of 12th century, Allama Prabhu as well as Akka Mahadevi, they were the famous literaturalists, so not. Then new form of the poets called yaru Kuvempu, then U.R. Anantamurti, Masti Venkatesh Iyengar. These three people, they were getting the award. Which award do you know that? Yes, it is Jnanapita Award. These three members, totally 6-7 members, they got the Jnanapita Award in Karnataka only. In that, U.R. Anantamurti, then Kuvempu, then Masti Venkatesh Iyengar. These three were the famous people. They got the Jnanapita Award in this Bengaluru division, children. Understood what I'm telling? Apart from that, another thing is festivals. Which are the festivals these Bengaluru division is? Means all the 9 districts also, they were celebrating the, especially Bengaluru urban or the rural, there is a Karaga Mahotsava or Karaga festivals they are celebrating every year, children. Understood? Apart from that, what is that? Yakshagana, it is also famous there. Andre avradu Yakshagana kuda famous agide. Then Somana Kunita, what is that? Somana Kunita, Dollu Kunita. Then Kamsale, what is that? Kamsale, Dollu Kunita, and what else are there? Yakshagana, Somana Kunita. These are all the festivals. During the time of festivals, they are all making dances, children. Understood? Dollu Kunita gottalla, dollu barsta kunukotta hogtaralva, so adu. Okay, so during the time of Ganesha Chaturthi, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಣೇಶನ ಬಿಡುವಾಗ ಅವರು ಡೊಳ್ಳುಗಳನ್ನ ಬಾರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ತರ. Okay, so like that festivals. Apart from that, Dasara, Deepavali, Yugadi, these are all the festivals also they are celebrating. Okay. Apart from that, what is that? What else are there? Yeah, freedom fighters. Who are the freedom fighters of Bengaluru division? In that, Kengal Hanumantayya and S. Nijalingappa, these two were the prominent leaders during the time of 1956, while Karnataka state, it is integration movement. Andre during the time of integration movement, Karnataka yakandre haradu hanchi hogittante avagella. One kade Maharashtra north alli enagiತ್ತು, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಮಿಳುನಾಡು, ಕೇರಳ, ಗೋವಾ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಂಧ್ರ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆನೂ ಹರಿದು ಹಂಚಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತಂತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕನ ಒಟ್ಟುಗೂಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಂತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ it was held in Karnataka during the time of 1956 under the leadership of S. Nijalingappa and yaru Kengal Hanumanthaya. Okay, so Kengal Hanumanthaya, he became a first chief minister of Mysuru state. Sorry, KC Reddy. What is that? KC Reddy was the first chief minister of Karnataka, Mysore state. ಅವಾಗ ಇನ್ನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅಂತ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಮೈಸೂರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕನ ಏನ್ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅವಾಗ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ 1956 it is called Mysuru state. Okay, during the time KC Reddy was the first chief minister, then Kengal Hanumanthaya, then Nijalingappa. So like that it is started in our what is that? What else are chief ministers of Karnataka? Just you see, children, what is that? Chief ministers of Karnataka. Yes, is it available to see? First one is Nijalingappa, second one BD Jatti. Okay, then another thing is, yes, next again second time Nijalingappa got a chief minister position. After that there was a Virendra Patil. Then Virendra Patil, after again president rule came, children. Here you are seeing the emblem. That emblem means there was no chief minister or no leader. So during that time there was a president rule in Karnataka. After that Dr. Devaraj Aras, children. Understood? What is that? Dr. Devaraj Aras. After that Gundu Rao. Again there is a Ramakrishna Hegde. Ramakrishna Hegde after what is that? Yes, Bangarappa. Bangarappa after ಮತ್ತೆ again ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ? Yeah, JH Patel, then SM Krishna, Dharam Singh, then who's that people? Yes, then ಇವ್ರು ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಪ್ಪ, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇವೇಗೌಡರು ಮಗ ಇದಾರಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರು, BS ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪ ಇದಾರಲ್ವಾ, BS ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪ. ಸೊ BS ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನ್ಗಿನ್ನ ಮೊದಲು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, again president rule. There was no prominent leader. After that again BS Yediyurappa, again BS Yediyurappa. So like that our chief minister. But now yes, again HD Kumaraswamy, matte again BS Yediyurappa. Now it is once again, yesterday BS Yediyurappa he gave the resign, yes or not? Now it is Basuraj Bommai. Today he has taken the oath. ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ, ಓತ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಓತ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಸವರಾಜ ಬೊಮ್ಮಾಯಿ ಅವರು ಏನಾದ್ರು, ಅವರು ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಇವಾಗ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? Now we will see about the Bengaluru urban, Bengaluru rural, like that division, sorry, district wise we can go to that. Okay, Bengaluru urban, it is having 4 taluks. What is that? 4 taluks. One is Bengaluru South, Bengaluru East, Bengaluru North. Then one more it is, what is that? Anekal. Okay. Then 4 taluk is here in the Bengaluru urban district. What else are there in the Bengaluru? First of all, there is a scenic places are there, beautiful places are there, palace is there, isn't it or not? Tippu Palace is there. Then so many ancient temples like Gavi Gangadhareshwara temple. Then Big Bull. What is that? Big Bull ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಸವನ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಸವ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Then what else are there? So many lakes is there. During the time were ruled here, kingdom ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಕೋಲಾರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ. Then Nayakas like Kempegowda, he was ruled. Understood? So during the time of Bengaluru it is called Bendakaladuru ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ? ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Isn't it or not? So there is a 4 taluks. And another thing is, during the time of Kempegowda II, he made the watch tower at Bengaluru. Okay, where we can see, do you know that it is in the one part we can see, one watch tower we can see in Lal Bagh. Where it is? ಲಾಲ್ ಬಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಣ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ all four direction, south, west, east and the north part we can see the watch tower children. Understood? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಆನೆಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ದೆನ್ ನಾರ್ಥರ್ನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಈಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸದರ್ನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಸದರ್ನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ south part, it is, what is that? Lal Bagh. Lal Bagh, we can see the watchtower. What the Kempegowda's time, during the Kempegowda's time, he built the watchtower. Okay, so that we can see that. Then so many tanks during the time of Kempegowda. He was built the tanks because of the tanks or the lakes they were built because of the irrigational facilities for the agricultural purpose. Okay. Then what else are there? Yes, BHEL. What is that? Bharat Heavy Electric Limited. Then MNC, multinational companies are there. Then Hindustan Aeronautics Limited are there. Then Infosys. Then Bannerghatta National Park is there. Nowadays, what else are there? BBMP. Have you heard the name of BBMP? That is called Brahat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike. Okay. So these are all, they are working for the Bengalurians. Okay. And apart from that, so many church like Saint Basilica, Saint Mary, like that church, Jamia Masjid, like that Masjid, Tipu Palace. These are all we can see in the Bengaluru division. Understood? Apart from that, Bengaluru, it is having a Bannerghatta National Park. What is that? Bannerghatta National Park. So in this Bannerghatta National Park, if you go to safari, then you will see the tiger, cheetah, like the elephants and deer, so many animals, wild animals you can see, children, when you go to what is that? Bannerghatta National Park. Okay, so that is a famous in Bengaluru division. Apart from that, we will see Bengaluru rural area. What is that? Bengaluru urban. Innondu enide Bengaluru urban alli? Yeah, ISKCON temple, it is famous. Then what is that? Somanatheshwara, Harihareshwara. During the time of Hoysala period, Harihareshwara temple they were built. Then Somanatheshwara temple. Then Gavigangadhareshwara temple. So these are all the temples. It is ancient temples, children. Understood? During the time of kingdom, they were built the temples. So that is the famous art and the architectures. Okay. And the next one is Bengaluru rural. During the time of 1986, it is formed, children. Understood? Here 4 taluks is there. What is that? 4 taluks. What are the 4 taluks? Do you know that? Bengaluru. Yes, anybody? Are you listening or not? Okay. So Bengaluru urban, Bengaluru rural. These both also, it is having 4 taluks. Okay. Apart from that, Bengaluru rural again, it is divided into Ramanagara, Kol. What is that? Ramanagara. Ramanagara, it is formed, especially Ramanagara, and another one is Chikkabellapura. It is newly formed district. During the time of 2007, it is newly formed. Okay. For example, Ramanagara. What else are there? Ramanagara, it is having 4 taluks. What is that? 4 taluks. It is having the Channapattana toys. Do you know that the Channapattana toys, children? Yes, this is called toys, children. What is that? Toys. This wooden toys, it is famous near the Channapattana. Channapattana people, they were making like this toys, children. This is called Channapattana toys. Okay. Yes, can you? Is it visible to you? Yes. So this is called Channapattana toys. Okay. And apart from that, they are producing silk. Okay, they are producing silk. Then they are having the bird sanctuaries. What is that? Bird sanctuaries. Bird sanctuaries, where it is at the Ramanagara. Vulture. And another thing is, what is that? Yeah, vulture. Because vulture, they are saving here. Okay, so that they have created the bird sanctuary near the Ramanagara hill. Okay. Then another thing is Kola. Kolar, it is having 5 taluks. In that Kolar, we can see the KGF, but 2003, because of the what is that? They wanted to protect the bioreserves, okay, so that they were closed the KGF. Andre KGF andre ಏನು ಕೋಲಾರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್, ಕೋಲಾರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ KGF ನೀವು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂತಲ್ವಾ, ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದ್ ಜನ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನ ಡಿಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅದಿರನ್ನ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಬಂದಂತ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೊರದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ. So that KGF nowadays, because of it is harming the people, it may happen earthquakes, isn't it or not, or floods. So that they were government, it is banned now. They have stopped this mining during the time of 2003. Okay, and apart from that, in Kolar we can see the Kaivara Tataya, adu Chintamani anta taluk ide. So Kaivara Tataya, that temple, it is famous near the Kolar. Then Antargange, it is famous. Then Hyder Ali Dargah, it is famous in Kolar district. Okay, Antargange, it is the tourist place, children. ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ತರ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಸವನ ಬಾಯಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೀರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ತೀರ್ಥದ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಶಿವನ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ, ಬಟ್ ಆ ಶಿವನ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಬಸವನ ಇದಿದೆ, ಆಗ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬೆಟ್ಟದಿಂದ ನೀರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೀರ್ಥಹಳ್ಳಿ ಸಾರಿ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ರ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಏನು ಶ್ರೀಧರ ತೀರ್ಥ ಅಂತ, ಅದೇ ತರ. ಸೊ ಅಂತರ್ಗಂಗೆ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, then what else are there? And Kolar, already I said, it is famous for gold. Okay, so now gold mining, it is stopped because of they wanted to save, they wanted to protect the Kolar people. Okay, next one is Chikballapura. Chikballapura, we can see so many wildlife sanctuaries, children, because it is having ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಚುರಿನ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, then it is having 6 taluk. Then 2007 it is formed from the Kolar. Okay, from the Kolar district ಇಂದ ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರನ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, and ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, what else are there? ತುಮಕೂರು, ತುಮಕೂರು, it is having it is called largest district in Karnataka. Not only Karnataka, even Karnataka. What is that? What is that? Tumakuru. Tumakuru, it is having 10 taluks. In that 1832 it is, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1832 ಇಸ್ವಿನಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. 1832 only they were founded, this Tumakuru district, and it is famous Madhugiri taluk. One Madhugiri taluk is there. So in that Madhugiri taluk we can see the single monolith rock. What is that? Single monolith rock ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಏಕಶಿಲಾ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ರಾಕ್, ಆ ಇಡೀ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ರಾಕ್ ಇಂದ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಹಿಲ್ಸ್ ತರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ tourist center. What is that? Madhugiri Betta. Okay, it is in Tumakuru. Apart from that, Tumakuru, it is famous for what else? It is producing iron ore. So many iron mining is going on there nearby the Tumakuru district. Then what else are there? In Tumakuru, Siddhaganga Math. I already said that educational centers it is there for the blind or the orphan people. They have given a free education and free meals for them. Okay, so that facilities they have given in Tumakuru. Apart from that, Bengaluru rural area, that is called Nelamangala. So in that Nelamangala, Shivagange Hills is very famous. Okay, adana Shivaganga Betta anta karitare. It is also one of the tourist center. Then apart from that Tumakuru, we can see the Jayamangala Black Buck Bird Sanctuary. Black Buck ಅನ್ನೋ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ತುಮಕೂರಲ್ಲಿ. What is that? Jayamangala Black Buck. Okay, so that bird sanctuaries we can see in Tumakuru. Okay, next what else are there in Tumakuru? Okay, Chitradurga. Tumakuru, another thing is it is having the industrial area also, not only educational centers. It is having technologies or the minerals as well as so many colleges it is there, medical college, engineering college, like that. Then apart from that, Tumkur, it is called industrial hub. Okay, then Tumkuru district, it is having one of the taluk Gubbi. I already said that during the time of theater, alva Gubbi Veeranna company. So they were formed. Andre ಒಂದು ನಾಟಕ ಕಂಪನಿನ ಅವರು ಗುಬ್ಬಿ ವೀರಣ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಗುಬ್ಬಿ ಅವರೇ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮೂಲತಃ. Okay, so Gubbi means it is a taluk of Tumkur district. Then next one is Chitradurga. Chitradurga, it is having 6 taluks. ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಅನ್ಕೂಡ್ಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಒನಕೆ ಓಬವ್ವ, ಮದಕರಿ ನಾಯಕ. Yes or not? There is a 7-ringed fort. During the time of Madakari Nayaka, he was ruled Chitradurga. So there what happened? Do you know the story? There's a one picture, isn't it? Nagarahavu, Vishnuvardhan andu Nagarahavu film alli ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ it is a 7-ringed fort and it is very well secured fort. Okay, but here what happened? During the time of Mysore Wadayars, Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan, they were also ruled. Okay, so during the time of 1770, when it is 1770, so during the time Hyder Ali, he occupied, means he conquered the Mysore, Keladi, and another thing is he was taking the control of Madakari Nayaka's fort also. So ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಾಯುವಂತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿ ಸೈನಿಕರೆಲ್ಲ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಾಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣದಾದ ದಾರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ದಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗಡೆ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ Chitradurga fort. Okay, so there what happened, those who are the guard of the fort or the kingdom. Okay, so he came for lunch. During that time they don't have the water to drink. For that reason his wife Obava, she came to fetch the water. During that time what happened, she has seen the people, those Hyder Ali people or the soldiers, they are entering the fort. Okay, then she came back to her home and she has taken the wooden pestle. What is that? Wooden pestle ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒನಕೆನ ತಗೋತಾಳೆ. Then she came near by the hole where they are entering. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಾಗೆ ನುಗ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒನಕೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಂತ್ಕೋತಾಳೆ. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೊಡೆದು ಸಾಯಿಸ್ತಾಳೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ಗಂಡ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಮದಕರಿ ನಾಯಕನ ಸೈನಿಕರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿ ಸೈನಿಕರನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿ, he was defeated to Madakari Nayaka and he has taken the power or the control of Chitradurga. Okay, that was a story. So that Onake Obava, it is very famous in this Chitradurga. Okay, and here Chitradurga dalli Ramdevar Betta, these are all the famous hills are there in the Chitradurga. After that, another thing is in that Chitradurga only small andre fort olagadene small tanks and temples are there in the Chitradurga fort. Okay, then what else are there? Chitradurga, Davangere, another district. Davangere, it is called Manchester of Karnataka. Why? Because textile, garments, and so many industries are there, and educationally also it is there, so that it is very well developed, and it is like a, what is it, hub, industrial hub is there in this Davangere. Okay, so that it is called Manchester of Karnataka. Then another thing is here Davangere, it is having the 6 taluks. And one is, there is a famous lake in Karnataka. It is the largest lake in Karnataka called Shanti Sagar Lake. What is that? Shanti Sagar Lake ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದಂತಹ ಲೇಕ್ಸ್, ಸರೋವರ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ವಾ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ a famous Davangere. It is having biggest industry. What is that? Cotton industry, cotton textile industries are there. Got it? And even electrical, ಹೈಡ್ರೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಏನು ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜೀಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಂಚೆಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಓಕೆ, Then another thing is the last one is the Shivamogga district. Shivamogga district is having 6 taluk. In that 6 taluks, one of the taluk Gersoppa. So near the Gersoppa, what we can see, whole Asia, it is the highest joke falls. Yes or not? Gersoppa joke falls anna ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಇಡೀ ಏಷ್ಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಜೋಗ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ Sharavati, alva, it is coming from the river Sharavati. Then in that Sharavati river they have built a dam. Yes or not? What is that? Linganamatti dam. Yes or not? They are storing the water inside the dams, children. Then those who are needed for them, they are letting out ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಕೆನಲ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಅದರನ್ನ ಅವರು ಇರಿಗೇಷನಲ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಗೋಸ್ಕರನೋ ಅಥವಾ ಕುಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೋ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ and another thing is Tungabhadra river is flowing. I told no, Tungabhadra dam also is there, but ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು next semester ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ. Yes, another thing is in Shivamogga, I already said that. What is that? It is also dense types of the forest Shivamogga region is having. Before that, under last class I have discussed this, isn't it or not? And so many waterfalls are there, rivers are there, and beautiful scenes are there. Guduvi and Mandagadde bird sanctuaries and ಗುಡುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ animals ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈಸನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ನೀವು ಏನ್ ನೋಡಬಹುದು? ಬೈಸನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಗುಡುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, so bird sanctuaries and the wildlife sanctuaries, we can see that. Mandagaddanalli birds sanctuary, they are protecting the birds. Okay, so the world what is that? Bird sanctuary and the wildlife sanctuaries we can see at Guduvi and Mandagadde. Okay, then what else are there? Yeah, literature list. Who are the literature list? Akkamadevi, Allama Prabhu. Then who else are there? U R Anantamurthy. Then Kuvempu, isn't it? So these people, they were born in the Shivamogga. They were the famous literature list, as well as they got a Jnanapita award and Rashtra Kavi. Yes or not? Yeah, national poet. Kuvempu, it is called. He is called national poet. Means Rashtra Kavi. So ee Rashtra Kavi ivaru elli janisidare? Kuppalli, where it is Tirthalli ತಾಲೂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಪ್ಪಳ್ಳಿ ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು ಗ್ರಾಮ. ಕುಪ್ಪಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕುವೆಂಪು ಅವರ ಜನನ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೌ ದಿಸ್ ಕುವೆಂಪು ಹೌಸ್ ಈಸ್ a tourist center. What Kuvempu, how he means his childhood or his literature, everything they have kept it in the Kuvempu house, children. Okay, once if you go to Shivamogga, then please visit in this what is that, Tirthalli. Go to Tirthalli and please go to Kuvempu house. Kuvempu mane anta karitare adana. So alli ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. Apart from that, Kuvempu University, on his name only they have given the name Kuvempu University at Shivamogga. You can see that. Yes or not? Then what else are there? Yeah, near the Sharavati river, means the Sharavati river, they are producing the hydroelectricity. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀರನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ನೀರಿನಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅವರು ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಇನ್ Shivamogga district. Apart from that, what else are there in the Shivamogga? Do you know that in Shivamogga what else are there? Yes, anybody, do you have any doubt? Yes, so that we can say that all these 9 districts, it is having a unique features. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದರದೇ ಆದಂತ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿವೆ. But also culturally, Bangalore division, it is very rich. Culturally, it is very rich, and so many forests, dense forest is there. In Shivamogga, Agumbe, Shivamogga, there is a Agumbe. So that Agumbe will get it highest rainfall in the Karnataka. Idi Karnatakadalli Agumbenalli ತುಂಬಾ ಮಳೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಂತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಚಿರಾಪುಂಜಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So Agumbe, it is the highest, it is getting highest rainfall. Whereas Kolar, it is having the hottest conditions during the time of summer season. ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಂಪಿದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಳೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಕೋಲಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಾಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು, ರೂರಲ್, ಅರ್ಬನ್, these are all the places. It is having a mild types of the climatical conditions, children. Andre nor too hot nor too cold, like that conditions they are having. And soil also, fertile soil they are getting through the bank of river Kaveri, Shimsha, then Arkhavati, Vedavati, like that, Hemavati. These are all Harangi, Sharavati. These are all the river bank. We can see the fertile soil, so that all the people they were settled densely, means densely populated, and somewhere we can see the wildlife sanctuaries, joe falls or waterfalls, and minerals we are getting, yes or not, gold, iron ore, coal, manganese. These are all the ores we are getting. Ores means they are doing the mining here. Mining activity is going on here. So what we can say, unique features is almost the same through all these 9 districts of Bengaluru division. Okay, children? Yes, anybody? Do you have any doubt? Yes, children? Do you have any doubt? Nobody? Yes, Shravan? Any doubt? Yes, children? No doubt?
No doubt, Mataji.
No doubt, Mataji.
Yes. Tell me, how many districts are there in Shivamogga? ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಗಳಿದೆ?
6.
Yes.
6.
Okay. Then Bengaluru urban. Sorry. 6 ತಾಲೂಕು. ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಾಲೂಕಿದೆ?
6 ತಾಲೂಕು.
6. Okay. Davangere and Davangere is divided from the Chitradurga ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So when it is during the time of 1997, and from Kolar, Chikkaballapur, yes or not? Chikkaballapur. Then
Purvi, off your mic.
Yes, what else are there in the Bengaluru region? Which are the temples are there? This one. Read first, okay? Namge ivaga paata had to read this lesson, Bengaluru division, children. I am giving you question and answers. Notes naane kodtini, ನೀವು ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. While because it is getting confusion, understood? Who are the Jnanapita awardees we have seen here? ಯಾರನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
Masti Kuvenpu, you are
Kuvenpu. You are Kuvenpu. Tipu Sultan.
You are
What is the Bengaluru division?
Yes. How many districts are there in the Bengaluru division?
Mataji.
9
Last week?
9 districts.
Yes.
9.
Please switch off your mic.
Mataji.
Mic on off switch.
Mataji. ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ?
ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೊರಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ.
ಎಲ್ರು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ವಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೈಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡು.
ವರ್ಷ, you are having the doubt? Varsha. Quickly answer it. Again, you are having next class. Do you have any doubt?
Yes,
Somebody
Mataji.
asking. ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್
No,
ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು
Mataji.
ಯಾರು?
ಮಾತಾಜಿ ನಾ ಕೇಳ್ದೆ.
ಹೇಳು. ನಿನ್ doubt
ವಾಟ್
ಏನು?
ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಜಿ?
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಅಂತನಾ? ವಿಭಾಗ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ವಿಭಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೈಸೂರು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಲಬುರ್ಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೆಳಗಾಂ ಅಂತ. ಅಷ್ಟು 4 ವಿಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು, ಆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಾಲೂಕ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದೆ ಆ ತರ ಅದನ್ನ ವಿಭಾಗ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Because of administration purpose, they have divided into 4 divisions. ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಾಡೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಪಾಠಗಳನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್?
ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೈಸೂರಿಲ್ಲ.
Is it clear? Yes. Now anybody any doubt? Shall we end the class?
No, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Thank you,
No doubt, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Bye, Mataji. Bye, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Bye, Mataji.
Thank you very much,
Bye, Mataji.